Hey guys, Anthony of the Rag Company, and if you're watching today's video, you're probably wondering, can I put a ceramic coating on top of solution finish? So we're answering that question and more in today's FAQ video. All right, so you've just finished restoring the trim on your vehicle using solution finish, and it looks absolutely phenomenal. Back to that beautiful, pristine OEM black look. And now you're wondering, can I ceramic coat over the top of that to lock in that nice, deep, dark look? And the answer is yes and no. From our experience over the last few years, we've coated over quite a few different solution finish jobs. And in the short, it actually looks really, really good. However, we found that long term, there was a few issues there. Now, not only did it lock in that trim for a period of time, but it locked it in for so long that we were not able to top it off down the road, meaning that that trim still did continue to fade again. The ceramic coating does have a lot of UV inhibitors in there and does provide a lot of protection, but will not necessarily keep that trim from ever fading ever again. And so what ended up happening is we had faded trim locked under a ceramic coating, meaning it was held captive and we could not restore that trim again because there was a ceramic coating over the top, and we had to wait for that ceramic coating to break down with time in order for us to restore it once again. Now, there is products out there such as C4, which is a dedicated trim restorer from GTECHNIQ that does work good in conjunction with solution finish. So if it was me and I was going to use any type of ceramic coating over the top of solution finish, I would use C4. That's pretty much the only exception I would make. However, there is a better product for sealing in that job that you've just done with solution finish, and that's going to be Over the Top, which is also made by solution finish. And so Over the Top is going to be a dedicated trim sealant is what it's going to be. So you're going to go ahead and restore the trim with solution finish and then go over the top and add this sealer to help lock it in. Now, what I like about the sealer is that it still is able to be touched up with, whereas a ceramic coating cannot. So it's really simple. Basically, do the job, apply this, wait a little while, and then go back over it with the over-the-top sealer, and it's going to help lock it in. And so we found that if typically a solution finish job may last 6 months, maybe to a year, the over-the-top sealer actually extends that to where we're seeing anywhere from 9 months to about a year and a half of keeping that nice, deep, dark look. So that's going to answer the question, can I put a ceramic coating over the top of solution finish? Yes and no, but we do recommend using the over-the-top sealer instead. So hopefully you guys learned something new in today's FAQ video, and as always, have a fantastic day.